Did they take them away or lost them?
The main demo was yesterday, and then today was going to be the software.
My name is Patrick Rowe. I'm with RE2, and this is one of the DARPA ARM robots. It was created for the DARPA ARM program, where they were trying to improve and advance the state of the art in autonomous manipulation, and in particular autonomous two-armed manipulation. So we were hired to build the robot. The robot has two Barrett arms, 7-degree of freedom arms, a custom-designed 6-axis force torque sensor in the wrist, and in a Barrett hand, 3-fingered hand, with pressure sensors on each finger in the palm. The sensors in the head, the lowest sensor is a Swiss Ranger 3D flash LiDAR. Behind the eyes is a Bumblebee stereo camera, and in the forehead is a 5-megapixel color camera, and then there are 2 microphones where the ears go, those white things in the ears. So in the first phase of the program, there were 6 research teams. Each of them that got a robot, but it only had 1 arm, and they were asked to do various tasks like pick up objects on that table over there, pick up a phone, as well as manipulate objects. In the second phase, 3 teams are moving on, and now they have a 2-armed robot, and they'll be asked to do tasks that require 2 arms, and I understand the first task is going to be something like changing a tire on a small car. So pretty challenging stuff. It's not this particular one. One of these robots is going to be going into the National Air and Space Museum later this year. And so we're developing some simple interactive games and tasks that a visitor to the museum can do. So this is one of them, where using this touchpad, I can control the position of the hand over the table. And I can also control the orientation of the wrist. And then once I think the hand is aligned over the object there, I can ask the robot to pick it up. So now it returns control back to me, and we have to use it to make a connection. Turn a light on. And then I can ask the robot to put it back down.